Yeah.
Any done when you are money and I whoop sent and Gazeka, nothing of them.
So, I fell and who's the you know. That's why, yes, sir. That's a woman, and our promo. Yeah,
my son, and I we are as a court near Quakin Junction. I mean, Tanka said the young junction.
So, you live by another Nashiko. Nina Tanka junction. Now, what Tanka saying? So, as all court Quakin Junction sent you, so no meant Tanka say, won't show there. So, for that's what it is. Let's go court, a Quakin Junction, no sign Tanka say, I won't say, won't shoot Tanka say, let's go for that's what it is. So,
I really will buy every year.
Yeah, or two for no another million half. No, so I said, well, however, it's in the year. So,
one in the other neighbor, one in the next one.
So,
one in the fine homes and one a penalty.
yeah,
But I want to know for back more sensitive also there. One family.
so was on the mammy, you don't pay for moon. Now, my dear, she said, my dear Bandy, and I said, a young woman, and a money be a name, more command to back, no presence in Mosudia, and so,
one yes, sir.
So, was it, or GDA said, one yes, sir. Yeah.
Every time the chairman himself won't be to the football.
So, was it send the baby at the chair, or was it any panel, or go to the football? So,
phobia, a time the chair in Nayakas and Anna, Beman, a pen, meaning to be to the football.
So, phobia, can I share with Nakaze, or put for down on my era, Bema, one, a panel, as a man will be that. Was it what paying now, and so won't be that.
Will be a whooping and you walk on the tea back with no money, Janet. What did he be on the Yaka?
So, I know for alternative, a man with that when you take me, pet on the Yaka. Good say,
when you are going what that talk a crack, who knows us in this Capawan was met, go to your ground and grandma.
I couldn't do it, sense I said, no more. I plan everywhere.
I want to get them away. I feel away. As well as I say, I tell you, I want at them. Yes, I know, yes, I know. I say, I tell you, I want at them.
What do you want to do? As I say, I'm going
Well,